Hi kids. So today I'm Ashlyn, and we're about to do kinetic sand.
One more.
Yes.
And it's a kinetic sand?
Yes, it's kinetic sand. It has all these tools. So let's just get into the video. So,
I don't know how to open it.
Nope. Look, you can get it from the back.
No, look. Let me show you.
Mom, there's the back.
There you go.
Oh, you have to look.
Alright, pull yourself out.
Alright, just zip it
Whoa!
out. That's hard.
Oh my, no, it's squishy.
So what do we have here?
So we have tools. We have tools.
And we got sand.
And we have sand too.
And here's our instructions, but
Yes.
it's pretty easy, right?
I don't know how to open this.
Here, give it to Mom. And we have our
Aiden, hand me the sand.
DAD back there. Dad.
Okay, hand me the sand.
Sand. I got kinetic sand here.
Here's your tool.
That is legit hard to open. Here's a tool.
We got a castle,
I'm gonna use these
a
first.
shovel.
Hold on, put your sand in there, Ashlyn.
I want to use the sand.
There you go, put it in there.
See, it's all hard. Oh.
No, it's soft.
It's
It's so soft. It's kinetic sand. It's so cool.
This is cool. Whoa.
Kids,
There you go, I'm just getting you over.
look.
Yeah. There you go.
Alright.
What tools do we have, buddy?
Alright, so we have our sea turtle
Mm-hmm.
and a shovel.
And we got a castle and a crabby.
Let me see.
Castle and a crabby.
Look at
You're
it.
so
Look at that. Wow. Oh, you nasty baby.
Right.
Are you gonna build something in?
Oh, yes. I will. Here, hang on. I need a shovel real quick.
Hold on.
I need it.
And let's have some of this.
I need a pat down.
And
Oh,
have some of this. Hey, I was thinking that, Papa.
well, it's dry. Let's just keep going. Ooh, I'm gonna use it.
A crabby.
Let's see if my.
So, Bubby, first you need to put sand in it, and then pat it on the other sand.
This ain't.
The spoon is
Oh.
not really right, but thanks, I guess.
Yes. Are you not grateful?
Ew, kinetic sand.
Oh, weird.
So what do you guys think about this little setup?
It's pretty good. It feels soft.
Mhm.
And it feels,
I'm gonna squish it into this
so
bowl.
squishy. Ew. Aye. That's still not my color.
Yeah, you have to need some room.
Hold on. I'm trying to pat it down. It's
I'm
mean.
I'm patting this all that.
There you go. Look at it.
Oh.
And we need to see mine, but hold on.
Pat, 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 pat. Pat his head.
I need some sand.
Oh, fill with his wings.
Here, move, Bella.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm gonna
Here,
make
hold on
the
a
crab. Kids, watch me.
I'm gonna smooth it.
Here, I'm gonna smooth him. And we're gonna do a challenge. Whoever, Ashlyn, you still have half of your pet, right? We're gonna pet our. Here, remake your pet, and then we're gonna do a pet. Try not to hurt pet challenge.
I see it. I don't know it.
Alrighty, so kids, let's get
And
into this.
I'm going.
Okay,
And I'm going to pet my little animal.
Alright, let's keep petting
Pet, pet,
until they fall apart. We have to do it fast. Okay. So we can pet it with tools.
Okay.
Oh, goodness.
I'm getting tired. I'm gonna rub it. I'm gonna rub his head. Rub his head. Rub his head. Rub his head.
And you can destroy each other's.
No, 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 no. Not mine. Not mine. Not mine. It's mine.
You guys, watch this. Ashley, excuse me. And 3, 2, 1. Next. You seen that? The head has been chopped. You look at all that extra shell. Look. Can I show you what's even more bloodier? I mean, disgusting.
Bye, kids. So we would do a part 2 of this if we can find more. Then we would do another part 2.
Girl. Oh.
I take it all to stay in my
Roll.
No.
Can you get the castle to stand up before we go?
Hold on. Don't move too much, kids. Hold on, Beppy. I need some sand.
Okay, go ahead. Ready? Oh, yeah. Hold on, Megan. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Move it in.
Take a picture of it.
What?
Hold on.
What, Mom?
Okay, Ashlyn's little sandcastle.
Kid, don't delete it. Kid, don't delete the picture.
No.
Okay.
She said no.
To the kids, it's raining Kinetic sand. It's raining. This is so soft. Kids, you should get one of these. It's so cute. Hey, no fighting in the video, Papa. Oh, I need the tether.
What's wrong? Something you need to say about it?
Nah.
Nah, I'm okay. Nah, no, I'm okay. I'm okay.
I need
I'm
this
fine.
part. I need some stand like smashed down so I can get some room for my plant. Here we go.
Oh, good job.
Have some
Now,
sand.
Aiden, before we leave, with somebody who has sensory
That's
issues
not
and doesn't like a lot of squishy stuff,
Bobby, I can't
to
see.
mess with a lot of squishy stuff, how do you think it feels?
Good.
You think it feels good?
It feels soft, kids. You need to get one. It feels so soft. It feels even smoother than head.
Their head.
Wait, no.
Smoother than head.
Yeah.
Okay,
Smash.
go ahead and say goodbye.
Bye, kids. It's raining sand. Bye. Hold on.
Come here.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yes, we just got paid.
And we just got a bunch of sand.
Shh.
Here, Mom.
Oh, got to
Here, Mom.
leave now. There's Sandra.
Hey, kids. Hold on.
Mine. Hi, Sandra.
You want to eat?
Okay.